Hey everybody, it's Brian. I was on my way to inspect a roof today and found some damage on it, and on my way back I just wanted to stop and make my vlog video number 4 and tell you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that there are contractors out here in the insurance restoration business, in this industry, roofing industry and exteriors, that are too scared to make a leap of faith. And what I'm saying is that they're so used to using the tried and true supplementing process, which only gains them an average of anywhere from $2,000 to $6,000. You know, yes, you can have some supplements up as high as thousands of dollars, but most contractors here in the industry, all they're doing is just supplementing for drip edge and valley metal, which might be $800, maybe $1,000. Now, what I'm trying to tell you is that there's more out there than just supplementing. What I do is boots on the ground inspections, get down in the trenches for my clients and help them gain coverage with their customer's insurance company. And by the end of the day, we would have gained thousands of dollars more than what you would have accomplished if you went with a supplementing company. Now, I'm talking $25,000 more than the initial estimate, $50,000 more, $75,000 more, $100,000 more than what you initially received from the adjuster. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Now, those numbers right there, that's my goal, to get my clients to gain. At the end of the day, we get results for our clients before the build even starts, because this is a cash flow industry. And what I mean by that is that most contractors need the cash flow. And we work really hard. Once you sign a contract with your customer, you have incurred that said scope of work and should be released the depreciation to you from your homeowner. We go after that. Now, no supplementing company can do that. Now, nothing against supplementing companies. They are great folks. And there are some really good supplementing companies out there. But the problem with supplementing companies is that there is only so much you can go after, because you are relying on a company that has never stepped a foot on your job. They are relying on you, the contractor, and your salespeople to take the necessary photos and documentation and sending it to the supplementing company. Now, if the pictures aren't any good, you can't get any additional supplements from that. Most of you already know that. That's why it's so frustrating sometimes for these supplementing companies that they can't get a maximized amount average for their customers because their contractors don't send them the pictures they need. Well, what we do is that we physically go out onto your customer's job for your claim, and we do a detailed inspection with documentation, photographs, drone video. We take aerial photography, at least 100 photos of a decent sized roof, an exterior, at a minimum. Then we go back, we build our estimate, we get our clients a true estimate, what it should look like. Not a one-page, two-page estimate that looks similar to what your adjuster's first lowball offer looks like. No, this is a real deal Xactimate estimate, thorough. And we break down a strategy with our clients and then go after the insurance company to gain approval to get what our client needs so that they could get their job started and get their customers what they need to get indemnified and made whole again. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. My number, you can find it on my Facebook page. You could send me a private message. You could leave a comment down below, and I'll set up a free 15-minute phone call with you to see if we could give you a hand and help you. We can answer any questions that you have. We're here to help. Thank you.